videos. So in this video I'm going to show you the acknowledgement of receipt email that you get when you apply for travel exemptions to IRCC for traveling to Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, we know that there are travel restrictions if you want to travel to Canada. So but there are exemptions too, and in case you have something that you really want to travel, and then in that case you need to get an approval. So for that, IRCC has provided an email address where you send an email, and if they approve, and then you get the authorization and you are allowed to travel. So what happens, like when you send an email, you get this acknowledgement of email that I'm showing you now. The reason I'm showing you is like there have been a lot of scams currently going on, so I don't want any of you to fall victim for any scam. That is why I want to show you, because a lot of people are applying through fake consultants and fake agents. They can do anything. So just to make sure, like this is what you get. They are here in the first, they provide some information. Of course they can change this format anytime, and they also said like this inbox only for those who need to request a written authorization from Government of Canada, and they want to tell us that they are exempt from travel and their TRV application received before it's in progress, okay, for an essential reason. Like all the information is there, and they have also specified who needs to request a written authorization from this inbox, who is considered in an immediate family member, how do I apply for a written authorization letter, what are the pieces of information needs to be included. Then are also exemptions, and then the same information is given in French also, because we know there are two official languages. If you still need assistance, you can submit web form query here, and if you don't have a UCI, you may enter in the web form UCI field. So they have provided all the information that you need. So that's it for now guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always free to ask. Thank you guys.